This is our 1964 short bed C10 that's been LS swapped, and today we got to push it into the shop because it is a no crank, no start. We instantly pop an ignition fuse every time we try and crank it. As I'm going through the wiring looking for any shorts, I realize, hey, maybe this is why people keep the carburetor. But I did finally found bare wire on the purple wire going down to the starter, and that might have been arcing. Went ahead and took the opportunity to protect our wiring while I had it out with some fabric and replace some loose ends and get everything cleaned up. Ran a brand new purple wire down to the starter, and we're back in business. This is still one of my most reliable rigs, so keep LS swapping them.